If you have the space in your home for some fitness equipment, a home treadmill is a great way to keep that cardio up no matter what the weather is outside. For office professionals, check out our video about under-desk treadmills to keep up your fitness while you work. This list consists of our picks for some of the best treadmills so you can shop worry-free, knowing you're going to get a great deal. 1. MaxKare Folding Treadmill Electric Motorized Running Machine. Our first pick is an affordable treadmill from Simple Fitness brand MaxKare. This treadmill is designed for both men and women. The treadmill is ergonomically designed for people between 4.6 feet, 6.2 feet, and those weighing less than 220 pounds. With a large blue backlit LCD, the treadmill can track your workout using the heart rate monitor built into the handrail. This will advise you on the real-time speed of your run, your mileage, your calories burned, and more. 2. MiniTREAD Walk While Seated Treadmill. The next choice on our list is a strange one. We all struggle to find time in the day to fit a workout in. Wouldn't it be brilliant if it were possible to have a great cardio workout while sitting at a desk? That's exactly what MiniTREAD has achieved with their Walk While Seated treadmill. This handy product helps you burn calories and get cardio core and lower body exercise while you work or watch TV. Simply place this under your desk or under your coffee table and start burning those pesky calories. It boosts circulation by working the core, quads, hamstrings, and calves and offsets the health negatives of sitting down for too long. Whilst working from home, why not combine your time behind your laptop with time getting a great balanced workout? The included remote control measures steps, speed, calories burned, and allows you to adjust the speed and incline of the treadmill. This treadmill is strictly for sitting down only, and the manufacturer has indicated it is unsafe to stand on the MiniTREAD. 3. GoPlus Superfit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This 2-in-1 folding treadmill is both affordable and versatile, with 2 modes to meet your fitness needs. When the handles are raised, this treadmill can be used as a jogging machine at a speed of up to 4 kilometers per hour, perfect for using on a stand-up desk or if you're looking for a light stroll. Raise those handlebars and you're looking at a full-fledged running treadmill with speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour. With a powerful and quiet 2.25 HP motor, this treadmill packs a punch to keep you fit without causing havoc with your ears, making sure you don't distract anyone in another room whilst you're running. The shock-absorbing frame keeps the product sturdy, quiet, and safe. There is an LED display on the treadmill, displaying time, speed distance, and calories. This treadmill also features a Bluetooth speaker to play out your tunes whilst you're working out. The remote control included provides easy volume control for Bluetooth playback. 4. CITYSPORTS Treadmills for Home. The next featured product is the CITYSPORTS Treadmill for Home, allowing you to run quietly at night in the comfort of your own home. Constructed with a unibody aerospace-grade magnesium aluminum alloy frame, this product is sturdy and safe, supporting up to 265 pounds of load. The 7-layer non-slip texture running belt features a spacious running area, providing a comfortable and super safe running experience. The dual LED display shows time, speed, distance, and calories, allowing easy tracking of your workout. The compact design makes this easy to find a place to fit this treadmill. 5. Aceshin Folding Treadmill Electric Running Machine. Convenient and affordable, the Aceshin folding treadmill is our cheapest pick on the list. With a quiet, powerful vacuum motor and 6 levels slip anti-static running belt that absorbs impact, this treadmill provides a fantastic and safe workout experience. Perfect for jogging, walking, running, and cardio workout at home. 6. RUNOW Folding Treadmill. Our last pick today falls into the premium category. With a list price of $570, it certainly isn't the cheapest option in our roundup. But if you want a sturdy build, a great feature set, and a high-tech touch display, this is a great choice. This folding treadmill for small spaces has 36 preset training modes for weight loss, cardio fitness, and health stamina building. The LCD monitor of the treadmill will also display data about your exercise, including speed, distance, calories, time, heart rate, and more. The treadmill features a convenient hydraulic folding mechanism, making it really simple to fold up and pack away for those breezy rest days. Shock absorption technology in the running deck reduces the impact on your knees and joints while you run. Running deck on the treadmill can support a maximum user weight of 220 pounds. This treadmill offers some great value and a little bit of that premium flair. If you want a treadmill you can rely on, the RUNOW treadmill has got you covered. These are our top picks for the best treadmills on Amazon for this year. What do you think? Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments below.